there's a nice new calculation which has been recently published to quantify, to calculate the global burden of animal diseases, because until now we have I would say, a partial view of what is going on. I like this publication because it's published in The Lancet, in Planetary Health, and they propose a new way of converting the physical consequences of disease on animal performance to farm-level cost. This approach is quite nice, is quite solid, and is amazing because we can go over 270,000 billions US dollars. So if we already knew that animal diseases are quite important and with a big economic impact, probably now we are even more conscious about that.